Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review of Flare Melon plant in Grow a Garden new beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I give you a review, I'm going to show you how we can get this Flare Melon. If you want to get the Flare Melon, you need to grow the beanstalk and go to the top of the beanstalk, and then you're going to go to the shop here, the friendship category, and then you can buy the Flare Melon. And if I'm not mistaken, it costs 2,500,000 shekels. Okay, and you need to increase your friendship level. You need to unlock the level 4 to get this Flare Melon Seed. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my garden guys, and I'm going to show you how the Flare Melon looks like. Okay, it looks like this, and let's check the base value of this Flare Melon. I'm going to click on how much is this worth. And okay, this is the base value of this Flare Melon, and I think it's not really worth because the price of the seed kind of pricey. But yeah, if you want to craft willow berry, you will need this Flare Melon. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.